Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about why you forget everything you learn and how to fix it. You finish a great podcast or article and think, this is amazing, I'm going to remember it forever. But a few days later, it's mostly gone. Don't worry, it's not because you weren't paying attention. It's just how your brain works. A. The two curves that shape your learning. You've probably heard of the learning curve, that slow climb as you get better with practice. But have you heard of the forgetting curve? It's just as important. It shows how quickly you forget things. Around 50% is gone in an hour, 75% in a day, and 90% in a week, unless you do something about it. Even ancient texts warned about forgetting what we learn. And today's scholars agree, the key to remembering is repetition. B. Why you forget, and how to remember more. We're overloaded with info, scrolling, switching, consuming non-stop. Your brain needs more than that. It needs engagement. Luckily, there are easy ways to help lock things in. 1. Write it down, in your own words. Don't just highlight. As soon as you can within the hour is best try to explain what you learned in your own words. That's what makes it stick. 2. Pause and reflect. Before you jump to the next thing, ask, what stood out? How does this connect to what I know? When or how can I use this? That helps your brain build strong memory links. 3. Use it fast. Try it at work, teach someone, apply it in real life. Action turns short-term learning into long-term memory. 4. Let tech help. Yes, tech distracts, but it can also help. Use AI tools or apps to review, quiz yourself, or get reminders right before you forget. Personalized repetition works wonders. If you want to actually remember what you learn, don't just consume, summarize it, reflect on it, use it, and repeat it. Make that a habit. The forgetting curve is real, but you can beat it. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.